Welcome to Poo's Garden. Friends, today I'm going to show you the method of how we can regrow the plants from the nursery. Before buying any plants from the nursery, we need to check some few factors. Make a point of checking the soil while buying the plants. So it shouldn't be in any dried condition but slightly in moist state. Take some time to look over the purchase before introducing a problem in your garden. These are two varieties of shoe flowers. As usual, we require good drainage soil, manure. Here I've used a dry cow dung, dry leaves and some twigs. Now carefully remove the plastic bag with the help of scissor. We can see clearly how the plant is root bound. We need to remove the soil from the bottom without damaging the roots. If the soil is too tight, then sprinkle some water on it. Actually, we need to loosen only 2/3 layer of the soil, but here I am loosening half layer as this depends upon the size of the plant. This step is to be done in very sophisticated way as chances are there we might harm the roots. This is my second shoe flower plant, and here we can see how the plant roots are fixed firmly to the soil, and it becomes very difficult to loosen the soil. So here in this scenario it is advised to use any pointed material. So here I am using a wooden stick. Pierce it straight downwards. Roots require maximum attention. If we take proper care of them, we tend to get healthy plant. They takes in oxygen, water and nutrients from the soil to different parts of the plant. It also stores the energy created by the plant through photosynthesis to make it available whenever required. Add 2/3 layer of dry leaves and twigs at the base of the pot. This will help to retain the moisture, maintain soil temperature during summer and also during winter when temperature fluctuates. Next layer will be of soil, which should be half of the pot. Then make a depth at the middle of the pot. Here we are going to add cow's manure. Cow's manure provides organic nutrients to the plant. Before replanting, soak this cow manure in water. Place the plant at the center and form up the soil around. The best way to get a new healthy plant all depends upon how we take care and nourish them. My second shoe flower plant I've grown in grow bag. These grow bags, they are easily available on Amazon. And there are different type of varieties, sizes are also there. But always try to buy the UV protected ones. I'm sharing the link in the description box. Thank you for watching my video till the end. If you like, click on the thumb rule and subscribe to my channel.